Now, like I was saying about these monkeys, look how much of a monkey they are. Look how much of a sellout. They got the same things on. Check out their duality clothes, right? The black and the blue. She got on black on blue. He got on black on blue. Just reverse. Duality. This double mind this thing. The other witch got on black and white. Another dookie pusher got on black and white. Duality. And the cars they're meeting up with. Also black and white. And you got a white party. And you got a white party going on. And he got his dookie pushing headlights on. Of course he got his dookie pushing headlights on. You know, they still sitting there. They sitting there trying to parasite, trying to see what they can harm on my mind, body, or soul. But I rebuke them in the name of Jesus Christ. I rebuke all witchcraft and sorcery, trying to be put into and onto my mind, body, heart, soul, and spirit. In the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Shalom, shalom. And they're just gonna stand here looking stupid until they get a cornbread. Oh, some more lighting. Put some more lighting in there. That's over me. They ain't talking about nothing. They just sitting there looking at each other in their stupid faces, trying to find ways to sell out, right? They just talking about demonic and they just talking about demonic and wicked crap. They ain't having no real conversation for. Look. Check out the witch attack. Check them out. It's a real thing. Check them out. Why they gotta go? Check it out. Yeah, I'm doing even with the kids. It's a real thing, man. Ain't nothing but a bunch of soulless, sellout monkeys. Look, some more witch attacks. Look at this. What? We can't get a cornbread? What? That's the only reason I came up here is to get a cornbread. What? They think it's funny. Look at these public witches. Look at them. The only thing these monkeys do is evil, man. Look at them. Look at them. Oh. There go your tow trucks. These tow trucks. You're going to see a lot of these tow trucks if you're getting parasites. I already seen one earlier today in the same parking lot. Check them out, bro. Oh, the monkeys left. He's still here though. He already sitting in his car ready. You see how this white party about to line up though? Man, you see how though? Look at these muggies. I wish I could zoom in closer.